Let's say we have this triangle ABC and it has the sides A, B, C. And we want to know the perimeter of this triangle. How do we find it? Finding the perimeter of a given triangle is very easy if you know the length of its sides. The perimeter of a triangle is basically the sum of the length of its sides. The order in which you add the sides doesn't matter here. It could be B plus A plus C or C plus A plus B. The order is unimportant. The only thing that's important is that you add all the sides together to find the perimeter. Now, let's do an example. This is the triangle ABC, and the sides of this triangle ABC are 7, 8, and 5. And we want to know the perimeter of this triangle ABC. The formula for the perimeter is basically this: A plus B plus C. So let's use this formula and add all the sides together. Perimeter equals to 5 plus 7 plus 8. Now, 5 plus 7 is 12. And when we add 8 to 12, we get 20. That is the answer to this question. The perimeter of the triangle ABC is 20. Now, let's see how we can find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. The sides of an equilateral triangle are all equal to each other. And let's say this side of this equilateral triangle ABC is 5. What is the perimeter of this triangle? Because all sides of an equilateral triangle are the same, we can express the value of its perimeter as A plus A plus A. Because all of its sides are basically A, which can be expressed as 3A. Now, we know that one of the sides of this equilateral triangle is 5. So we write 5 instead of A. And the result is 3 times 5, which is 15. The perimeter of this equilateral triangle ABC is 15. So let's keep this in mind. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 times one of its equal sides. And in this example, we have an isosceles triangle. And two sides of an isosceles triangle are the same. And the third side is different. So in this triangle ABC, AB and AC are the same. And we know that CB is 6 and AB is 10. And we want to find the perimeter of this triangle. The formula for the perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C. But in this question, we only know two sides. However, we know that two of the sides are equal to each other. So we can write this: 10 plus this 10 here is the length of this side AB, and we write another 10. This second 10 is this side AC. Because this is an isosceles triangle, we know that AB and AC are the same. So AC is also 10. And we also know the third side, CB, and it's 6. So when we add 10 plus 10 plus 6, we get 26. So that is the answer to this question. 26 is the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Now, I've got a very cool question for you here. And this question will let us practice everything we have learned so far. The perimeter of the triangle ABC is 21. Now we see the triangle ABC here. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And we also know that the triangle CDB is an equilateral triangle. These three sides are the same. Now that we know that ABC is an isosceles triangle, we should be able to deduce that these are its equal sides. So let's name AC and AB as A, because they are equal to each other. And let's name CD, DB, and BC as B, because these three sides are also equal to each other. The perimeter of the triangle ABC is A plus A, because these are its two equal sides, plus B. Now these two sides and these two A's are here and here. We are finding the perimeter of ABC, and this B is down here, the third side of the triangle ABC. Now we are told that this equals to 21, the perimeter of ABC. The question also tells us that the side AB is 8, and this is the side AB, which we named as A. That means we can replace all A's with 8. Let's do that. Let's write 8 here, plus another 8 for the second A, plus B, and it all equals to 21. Now 2 8's are 16, plus B equals to 21. Let's take this 16 to the other side of the equation, where it becomes minus 16, and let's erase it from here. We have B equals to 21 minus 16, which is 5. So we now know that one of the sides of this equilateral triangle is 5, and we want to find its perimeter. The perimeter of the triangle CDB is 3 times B, which equals to 3 times 5. 3 times 5 makes 15. So there we are. We found the answer. The perimeter of the equilateral triangle CDB is 15. We used everything we learned to solve this problem. Good job! Now we are going to do another example question using the formula for the perimeter of the triangle. And this one's going to be somewhat more difficult than the ones we did before. This is the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is any triangle. It's not an equilateral triangle or an isosceles triangle. And we know that this side, the side AC of the triangle, is x. And this side, the side AB of the triangle, is x minus 1. And finally, we also know that this side, the side CB, is x plus 2. And we also know that the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 13. I'm basically improvising all these numbers with some calculations in my mind, of course. So I hope everything goes right. And we want to know what x is. So let's try to find x. We know that the perimeter of the triangle is 13. And the perimeter of a triangle equals to the sum of its sides. So let's write down the length of each side here. X is AC, x minus 1 is AB, and finally x plus 2 is CB. Now this x here is the side AC. Let's make this clear. And this x minus 1 you see here is the side AB. And this x plus 2 you see here is the side CB. Now let's solve this equation. Let's write down 13 here for the next step. So we have 1, 2, and 3 x's here. So let's write down 3x, because we can add like terms together. Plus 2, minus 1. So we brought these numbers over here. And let's make it quick. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So we have 13 equals to 3x plus 1. Let's take this one to the other side. And it becomes minus 1. So what we have here is 12 equals to 3x. Now let's divide both sides by 3. And what we get is x equals to 4. Good job! We found the answer again. So if you found this video useful, please consider pushing the like button and subscribing to my channel. You can also take a look at my other videos on geometry and maths. Have a good day.